Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is triangle. So see here friend, find the angle ACB means this angle. This angle is unknown. ACB. Find the angle ACB. Angle ACB means this angle. C angle. This angle is unknown, and we now died in the triangle sum of interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So see here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. In this figure given, angle A 55 degree plus angle B is given 90 degree. So angle B is 90 degree plus angle C unknown, so keep it as angle C is equal to 180 degree, right? Now add this, so 5 9 5 14, so 114 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, right? So angle C is equal to 180 degree. This is a plus, so it will be here minus 145 degree. Now angle C is, so 5 here 7, so it will be 3 and 0 0 cancel. So angle C is means angle ACB. Now see here, angle C, angle A, angle B and angle C, right? So now angle C is 35 degree. So this angle will be 35 degree, right friends? See here once again, this angle is unknown, and we now write the interior angle sum of interior angle in the triangle. It is equal to, if we add, it will be 180 degree. So total interior angle is in the triangle 180 degree. So two angle is given, right? Two angle is given 55. A angle is 55 degree and B angle is 90 degree. So we need angle C. So after calculation we found angle C is equal to 35 degree. Okay friends, so move to question number 2. In this figure, find the X. This angle is given X plus 2, and this angle is given X plus 5, and this angle is given X minus 2. So our target to find the X. We now write interior angle in the triangle is equal to 180 degree, right? So see here, X plus 2 is this angle plus X plus 5 this angle plus X minus 2 this angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so X 3x plus 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 minus 2 is 5. 1 minute friends. Friends, here given plus 3. Okay, so keep here plus 3. Okay, so now x plus x is equal to 3x. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 2 it is 6 is equal to 180 degree. Now see here, 3x plus 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 6, right? So it will be minus. Okay, so 3x is equal to 4 and 7. So 3x is equal to 174 degree. So x is equal to 174 by 3. So 3 5 is 15 and 3 8 is 24. So x is equal to 58 degree. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. X plus 3, okay, x plus 3 and x plus 5 is second angle and x minus 2 is third angle. So 3x plus 6, because x plus x is equal to 3x. 3 plus 5 is 8 and minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So 3x plus 6 is equal to 180 degree, right? Now 3x is equal to 174. X is equal to 174 by 3. So x is equal to 58 degree. Now move to question number 3. Question number 3. Friend, look at this picture. Okay, find the angle A. In this figure, angle C is given 48 degree, but two angle is not given, angle B and angle C. But one thing is given. See here, this is denote 180 degree. If draw one straight line, so this will be 90 degree, and this symbol is denote 90 degree. So we can say very easily this angle is 90 degree. Now we have two angle, right? And in the triangle, three angle is equal to, if we add, is equal to will be 180 degree. So add both and minus 180 degree will be angle A, right? So see here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is unknown, so keep write this, and plus angle B is, we know that it is 90 degree, so write 90 degree, plus angle C is 48 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now add both, angle A plus 8 and 9 for 13, so is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 138 degree. Now subtract it. So it is 2, 7, 4 and 1 cancel. So angle A is equal to 42 degree. So this angle is 42 degree. See here friends, once again, this angle is unknown, but this symbol is denote 90 degree. We have learned if we able to see like this angle, definitely it will be 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, and we know that interior angle, sum of interior angle in the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so if we add A, B plus C, it will be 180 degree. Now see here, B and C is equal to 138 degree. So subtract of 180 degree, so it will be angle A is equal to 42 degree, right? So move to question number 4. Friends, look at this picture. Our target to find what is angle of P, what is value of P. Now see here, there are two triangle. Triangle one is PQO and triangle second is SOR. So our target to find only P. Now see here friends, we know that interior triangle, sum of interior triangle is equal to 180 degree. In this angle given two angle value and O is unknown. So now see here, angle S plus angle O plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, right? So angle S is 49 degree plus and angle R is 32 degree plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 1 and 4, 3 and 1 is equal to 81 degree plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. Now angle O is equal to 180 degree minus 81 degree. So subtract it, it will be minus. Now see here, 9 and 17 minus 8, it will be 9. So angle O is equal to 99 degree. So this angle is 99 degree. Now see here friends, we have learned draw two lines. If this angle is 100 degree, also this angle will be 100 degree. So this symbol is like this. Now see here, this is a cross, so also it will be 99 degree. Now we have two angles available in this triangle. Our target to find only P. So see here, angle P, angle Q and angle O is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is unknown, so keep right here, and angle O is 99 degree plus angle O is, angle Q is 35 degree, 35 degree and 99 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle P, so 9 plus 5 is 4 and 9 plus 3 is 120, 112 and so it is a 134 degree. Angle P, angle P plus 134 is equal to 180 degree, right? See here friends, if you add both, it will be 134. So angle P plus 134 is equal to 180 degree. Now angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 134 degree. So subtract it, it will be angle P. So angle P is equal to, so 6 and 7 minus 4, 46 and 1 cancel. So angle P is 46 degree. So angle P is 46 degree. See here friends, we unknown have P. What is P? Angle value is P. So see here friends, if we add 3 angle, it will be 180 degrees. So add this both and you will get, and if you will get subtract 180, so it will be 46 degree. Okay, thanks friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend and press the bell icon.